Yar, a storm be brewing, says I. Yar.
Hurricane, I'm gonna call it Bobby, because I don't know the name yet, is coming. I live in South Texas, and well, it's coming. That's all I can say. So we are working outside right now, getting stuff together. What to do? What to do? It's likely it's going to come later on tomorrow, and yep. Don't know what to do. What should we do? What should we do? What should we do? Hello, Dad. Hello. What's the hurricane called?
Dolly.
Well, hello.
Dolly?
Dolly. Well, hello. And it's actually still Tropical Storm Dolly.
Oh, it's Tropical Storm Dolly.
She's not pissed off enough yet.
Yeah, she's not pissed off yet.
It is?
Well, people, storm's coming. It's already nighttime. We had our hurricane before party. Well, it's coming.
I think I should build an ark. I think I should do that. Well, hurricane's coming. Still coming. I'm gonna go outside. Yeah, we got some sandbags right there. I put my car in the center of the road, so did my dad, because usually when it rains a lot, the sewage system that's right there, get a lot closer. Isn't that pretty? That leads to the ditch that's in the backyard. There's a ditch in our back in the alley, and when that thing overflows, this street will overflow. It's starting to get really windy. I don't know if I should be out here in the first place. So yeah, I'm gonna go back inside. I'll keep updating you all. So I'll keep showing you how it progresses, and then I'll show you the aftermath of this. So hope this all goes well. This is the alley. Me and my brother felt like coming out and shooting the BB gun. And I have this lovely little hand BB gun. You can buy it at your local Walmart. I'm out of ammo. I've already ran out because I'm a trigger happy. What are you shooting, Mason? Blowing really hard. Yeah. Right. Oh, sorry. We're going to go inside. It's getting pretty crazy out here. Right. Well, it's cold day. Yeah, it's really cold out here, and we've already, leaves are just falling everywhere. My backyard. Look at all this stuff. It's falling everywhere. Hopefully you can hear me on Morgan Hosella Channel News on YouTube. Here, listen to the Hurricane DOLLY. I think the audio is pretty loud on the YouTube video, but I think I can turn it down some. Branches are falling down. I'm protected by my old army helmet that, ow, it works. The little shack is still standing. What time is it?
Time to stop talking so loud.
I think it's 6:13.
I'll bring footage later on today. Okay, I'm going inside. Yeah, we've lost internet, so there's nothing else to do. Read a book then, people.
Morning.
Alright.
Can you go out to my car?
Hey guys. Well, I need to come into my car real quick. I left some stuff in here. Left my Bible, for one thing. Which is, you know, it is important, but not really. It's, you know, forgot to do my quiet time, so I'm just checking for some things if it's in here. I can't find my port that I use to load up all the videos that I shoot with my camera, and I guess it's not in here. Well, I'm gonna head back. So here we go. Here we go. Wait, I need to put the Bible away first. Okay, you know what? I'll just hold it in my hand. Close the. Okay, here we go. 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 Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Get in it! Get in it! Oh crap! Come up the boat! I made it! Well, it's about 9. I'm tired. If I wake up early in the morning during the night, I'll record some stuff. I'm tired. I'm gonna call some people before I go to sleep. So, see you in the next footage. The aftermath. Whoa. This is pretty crazy. Trees are everywhere. Looks like we got some raking to do. The house is still standing though. Now, is it a smart idea to wear a metal helmet in a thunderstorm or in a hurricane? Who cares? Let's check this out. I already checked out the backyard. A tree knocked over the next neighbor's wall. Isn't that freaking crazy? Ah! Dang. 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 Dang.